maging pros kapag innocent or evil or murder or sheriff. Ano maging pros? So, yan. Tapos yan, kung ano yung gun. Tapos, kapag may nakita kayong gun, kuhanin nyo. Since hindi kayo yung gun. Yan ang ingay mo. Sabi mo, gamay mo. Look, susuot mo nito. As soon as possible. Then, magkaroon ng finish. Gee, I'm not a murderer, bro. Bro. Why? So, yeah. Snitching? Murder. So, as soon as you said snitching, talong totoo naman ka or mag-hide ka. As soon na nakita mo yung murder, kumaling ka na, hindi makalabas. Ganun lang. Yep. This is how... Uy! Then, go. Okay. No, you can move. So, the killer's right there now. When the killer's coming and she tries to throw you over here. Then you just like jump here, then you jump to throw and jump in. That's how. There's the killer. I know how to jump. Then go. Try the trick that I do. There. Jump over here. Jump. Yep. Good job. This is how you do it. Yep, we do it. We won. So that's how alive in MM2 when you're innocent. Now, let's go. Fire the hat again. Now do it. Let's go jump over here, then go over there. That's it. I'm going to buy this to this my bestie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that again. This time when you're innocent, we're trying the new hack. First go in here. Go in there. Then since you're in this, when you're an innocent, no, my bad. Just go down there, then go there. That's where to hold the sheriff and murder White. Since that is the murder, I think this is the GG. What's GG? I had the head still. Wait, is there something? That's how. But when the sheriff is in there, and that's how. That's gonna be it. Just try this hack, okay? So you what? No. But I'm murder, but I'm trying some. Let's go. Innocent. Again. I want to be murdered, but it's okay. It's trying to be murdered. Trying to be murdered is not a good title. Oh, that's a murder. Then the next step is we're not going to some. Hmm, what's thing? Just doing some dance. Yep, doing dance. Whoa! Get out! Get out! Lift the teddy bear again. Then go here. Go in. Go over there. There you go. Then go in here again. Since you go. Where you go is just where you hide. All where you go is where you hide. But now find the gun. We're just scared to find the gun. Defeating the bird. How to defeat the murder? Well, since my sister joined to me, I will teach her. Where's the murder? Where's the murder? I want the murder. Oh no! Oh no! I'm in danger! Like that. You're in danger, right? Let's check on here. Oh, I'm in danger. Go hide in here. This is gonna be harsh. Don't try that hack. It will be gonna harsh on you. Like effects. Wait, I want to click the effects. So this is all for the video. Next, bye bye.